Hey everybody, I have a lawnmower, an older lawnmower, and the wheel was broken. Well, it wore out, so I had to replace the tire. The rubber had come off the tire. So if you have an old lawnmower and it's falling apart, you don't necessarily have to throw it away. Just take your time and spend a couple of dollars. See, the rubber just came totally off that wheel, and I just went to Harbor Freight and got the wheel that I needed. You see, it's not a bad lawnmower. It's a few years old. We put a lot of mileage on it. We use it a whole lot, and we changed the, keep the oil change and everything. So it served us pretty well. So anyways, I went to Harbor Freight, got a 7-inch wheel. They have different types of wheels, different size wheels. Just make sure the wheel that you buy matches, and they pretty much were the same size, 7 inches. So that was good. And then if you look at the one that's on your lawnmower, it's not too difficult. Mine was just a bolt. You see the bolt on the outside, and then you look on the other end, you see how it connects. So you're just gonna take that bolt off, and yours may be different, but it's not difficult. I don't remember how much the wheel cost, but it wasn't that expensive. So you got your ratchet, or you can use a crescent wrench. Just take that bolt off, and this is one-handed operation, so it's not very difficult. Then you just take the wheel off, and it's put the new one back on. Just examine the inside and outside of the wheels. Don't get that confused. Don't put it on the wrong way. Just compare the two, and do your job. Everything checks out, and just get to work. Put the new one on, apply the nut, and then you tighten it up. Make sure the wheel spins and everything's lined up the right way, and you should be good to go. So again, I don't like throwing away equipment or machines that still work because a wheel is bad, or the chain needs to be replaced or something like that. I always try to fix things to save a couple of dollars. So again, just compare the two that you have, make sure they're gonna match, and like and subscribe. Thanks. Have a blessed day.